Hey, what's up, YouTube? Mr. Polyglot 1981 coming at you with another not music video, but another video. I'm gonna be drinking on some of this. You can get it at Walmart. It's a very good deal. Oh my god, and it tastes just as good as it looks. Excuse me a minute. Yeah. And I drink straight from the 2-liter bottle because number one, I live alone. And number two, nobody, well, my mom, she'll say, "That looks so uncivilized. You should drink it from a glass." What's the sense in that? Nobody else is going to drink any? Anyway, still got my OD green mud jug right here. And my Stoker's long cut wintergreen right here. I'm going to be dipping on that for a long time. And, see my piercings? That one's a little... There we go. Temporary wardrobe malfunction. Let's see. What shall we talk about today? I don't know. That is like the big question. What are we going to talk about today? Okay, so I'm going to review pimsleur Russian course. There's 3 levels, and it's very interesting to say the least. It runs you through a lot of really hard stuff. Like it starts off with the basics, you know. Hi, how are you? Well, I'm fine, thank you, and you. Which is Привет, как дела? Хорошо, спасибо. А у тебя хорошо тоже, спасибо. So it walks you through that all the way up until oh, what was one of them? I can't recall right now, but it's like in the winter it's difficult to find a place to park the car, you know, or what is the area code to Moscow, and I'm gonna have to go through and refresh myself on some of that because I'm drawing an utter blank right now. Which I think part of it is being in front of the camera. I don't do stuff like this very often, languages in front of the camera, because basically, yeah, it's hard for me because I know that everyone on YouTube is going to be watching me, ready for me to screw up. But anyway, back to the task at hand. The pimsleur Russian course is very ideal for beginners. It gets you speaking to near fluency. Well, not near fluency, but it at least takes you up to a B1 level in speaking, which is really, really nice. At least that's what I've come to discover. And, you know, it's like, yeah, it's cool. So my resources for Russian also include, oh, let's see here. Let me find it. Feel free to talk amongst yourselves while I am looking for... Like, I know I have a beginner's Russian reader. Part of the problem with Russian and speaking it is that I have a very hard time reading aloud in Russian. Oh, God, excuse me. colloquial Russian, ultimate Russian advanced, essential Russian grammar. And the grammar in Russian, I feel very unsure. It scares me. Because, okay, uh, well, these aren't exactly case related, but like, okay, like you'll be talking to somebody, and like if you get the ending wrong, pardon me. If you get the ending wrong, they're gonna look at you like, "Oh my God, where did you learn your Russian?" In my case, I'm self-taught. That's my whole deal. I'm self-taught in Russian, which isn't easy. You would think it's easy because you don't have a teacher breathing down your neck and no deadlines. You know, the paper isn't due because there is no paper. But I'm gonna send links. Yeah, it's about time for me to go to bed, I think. um, I'll send you a link. You can join this website called polyglotclub.com, and there you can write passages in different languages so native speakers comment on them and all that. And some of the reviews, oh, you know, it's coming. Excuse me. I'm gonna have to cut this video short. Just turned over 7 minutes. Sad, sad, sad. Anyway, but yeah, what happened is a native speaker will correct you. And the only problem with that is that there's no explanation unless they write one in the correction box. Now, a question you may be asking yourself is, how do I write in Russian? Well, what you do is you go into your control panel. Let's see, I'm using Windows 7, which if you're not using Windows 7, you know, you're living in the Stone Age. Let's see here. So you go into Windows 7, go to region and language. Okay, go to control panel and region and language, blah, and click on keyboards and languages. Click on change keyboards, and it'll give you a big laundering list of keyboards enabled. Click on add, scroll down until you find Russian. And you want to choose Russian, not the Russian typewriter, not US, not anything in the show more. Click OK, and it'll appear in your little sidebar. And then click apply, and there you go. That is how you do that. Now, you should see a next to your thing where you like, okay, right by the time and date and the speaker icon, and if your internet's connected, you know, the well, I mean, you can watch this video without it, but next to the internet is connected icon, you'll see something called EN, and that's your language bar. So you scroll down where it says RU, and it'll say next to it Russian, Russia. Click on that. and you will be able to write in Russian on your Latin keyboard. So, comment below if you have any questions. Try it out, see if it works for you. Also, you can, I've got like 7 languages enabled on mine. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, 7 foreign languages, and of course the English. So anyway, that's my second video. I will see you later.